CryptoRootz, and we just having a smoke session. You know what I'm saying? The price of Bitcoin is slowly going down. Well, actually, kind of fast. You know what I'm saying? And I know it's not just me, but I know other people's portfolios are looking real thin right now. You know, and this is just part of the game. It's just part of the game. I keep looking at how much money I put into Bitcoin, thinking I'm catching the lows, and I bought yesterday's highs. It seemed like that. It seemed like ever since that big run up in December, we just been on a steady downhill. And as you know, and I'm just starting to get the mature vision of how this game works, but I'm getting it a little, not a little too, somewhat. I've been buying in, you know, but it's like how much do you buy in, you know? Motherfuckers still got other shit to take care of, but it's like you don't know who to trust. You don't know who to trust. You don't know whether it's put your money in USD, put your money in Bitcoin, put your money in altcoins, or some shit coin and try to hope that it goes to the moon. Right now, the crypto game is low key a little fucked up. But if this is how part of the game is, then you know, charge it to the game. You know, just don't sell. Just keep buying. You know, pretty soon you're gonna run out of money. I don't know. It's about staying patient. I know. It's about staying patient. It's about seeing the long run and where this is really going. And it's just crazy because all the news and like the actual real news, not like the FOMO news, but like it would seem that like Bitcoin should already be back at 20K, like with all the good news and shit coming out, you know. So it's really surprising when you got the market crashing like this. And for a while there, for these last few days, last few weeks, it's just been very little value, very little people buying and selling. Actually, that's why the price has just been like almost stable. I would say, not stable in the sense where, I mean, I want it to be on a higher level of stability, you know. But so I figured just take the time out. I'm about to go drum at the drum circle in a little bit. So I figured I should just and I checked in my portfolio and I'm like, shit, son, it's crazy, son. And I've been doing research. I don't know, man. I don't know. Ethereum's not gonna make it long term, and I'm not trying to be bearish. I'm not bearish at all. I just gotta, you know, you kind of want to be one step ahead of the game, and Ethereum is just becoming more and more centralized, you know, and it's just not scalable. And EOS is as centralized as it gets, man. You can't have 21 people. It's all fucked up right now, you know. And the fact that they can track Bitcoin transactions, even you know, you don't know what coin is going to be it. But as far as true decentralization, Bitcoin is it. Now, as far as anonymity and staying anonymous, Bitcoin is not it. So who knows? Can one of these altcoins really take the lead of Bitcoin? I don't know. I'm not saying it's not a possibility. But what's going to be the coin that we actually use as real currency? Like, I really starting to look at Monero like, yo, like, as real currency, I would use Monero. You know what I'm saying? As a store of value, I would hold on to some Bitcoin. Now, as far as from now on, I'm gonna be shilling Substratum hardcore. Go invest in Substratum. Set up your Substratum node. Start hosting the internet. And when the alpha comes out, you can get paid to host the internet, and you can log onto the internet decentralized. I'm shilling Substratum, and I'm shilling Monero. Hard, heavy. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to look at your portfolio, and you got to ask yourself, why am I invested in this coin? It's going to be a different reason why you bought into it, because you thought it was going to make you money. But why are you still holding on to each single crypto in your portfolio? You got to ask yourself that. Why am I holding on to Neo? Because you get crypto dividends for holding on to Neo. Why am I holding on to Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the first crypto, and it has the biggest value right now. Why am I holding on to Monero? Because I can stay anonymous in my transaction. Why are you holding on to the Ethereum? Because Ethereum is the second biggest player in the game. And you can use Ether on dApps. You know what I'm saying? You got to ask yourself, why am I holding each of my cryptos? What is the main reason I'm holding this crypto, and what is the main reason I'm holding this crypto? Soon you'll be holding nothing, man. You know, this fucking market's crashing. I know. I haven't sold, man. I'm trying to keep buying in, but it's like you run out of money after you keep buying in low, buying in low, buying in low, buying in low. It's like, fuck, dude. For real. But I'm just smoking. The market's crashing, looking at the blockfolio. My shit's all down. Everybody's shit's down. You know, everybody wants to blame each other. I know the feeling, man. You know, it's like I want to blame someone else. I want to blame the market, you know, and I'm like, fuck, whatever. It's all good. It's all good, because the shit's gonna bounce back. And the news has you thinking like, shit, Bitcoin should already be at 20,000 with all these good news and all these like with all these new acceptance with crypto. Like, you would think Bitcoin's like, and it's like, why the fuck is it? It's like going, I don't know. It's a mind fuck. It's a total mind fuck. So I'm not saying freak out, but how many times do you buy low on this shit? Ain't nobody knows. Nobody knows shit. I know, you know, and I guess I come on here to vent just to feel what other people are feeling, because still I'm like one of the very few people in my community that is invested in crypto. Like, I bring it up to people, and people are just like, what is that? Or no, it's a scam. Like, I think, like, you know, everybody's down with crypto because I'm always online doing crypto shit, but in my actual on the island I'm on right now, very few people even know about crypto. And the few people who do know about crypto, like, we're trying to stick together out here, you know, because Hawaii, they be tripping about crypto out here. But you still go hard. It's not illegal to have crypto in Hawaii. It's just that they make the exchanges tough to sell to residents in Hawaii. So it's a little tough to get your crypto out here. But this is big economy, because this is international traveling out here in Hawaii. And if you can come up with an ICO out here that'll pop off in Hawaii, that's international shit right going on. So, you know what I'm saying? But I come on here to vent when the market's crashing. Is Bitcoin going to hit 5K? Dude, I'm scared that it will, but I'm also like, shit, what a great time to buy in. And if this is how it's going to be from now on, then I'm only buying flash crashes, market flash crashes. I'm not buying in at the steady shit, you know, because if shit's gonna be on discount like this, just all of a sudden, oh God, you know, it's hard to budget yourself. I don't know. If you're new like me, I guess it's kind of hard to budget yourself because you feel like your money's more valuable in Bitcoin. But, you know, then you start looking at your fiat currency like, shit, man. Ah, so it's tough. It's real tough. And they're going to raise the interest rates and the inflation rates, man. This economy's about to get fucking nuts, dude. This shit's about to go off. So it's like, where do you keep your money? If they can track Bitcoin transactions, like, is Monero the way to go? Like, where are we most safest? Please, somebody tell me, what is the most safest crypto to have? Where can you make the most amount of money and stay as anonymous as possible? That's what I'm asking. Um, but passive income, substratum, invest in substratum. I'm all about passive income, so let's hope for the best. Yo, I know. So that's why I'm looking into crypto dividends, and that's why I'm looking in. Nothing is safe, dude. For real, nothing is safe. It's like, should I start day trading and just taking the little gains versus just, you know, it seems like the day traders are kind of winning right now. When the market's crashing, it seems like the people who are just taking 5,000 satoshis a trade, 10,000, you know, this seems like they're accumulating while the rest of us is just watching our portfolio go down. So it's like alts fall more and bounce back more. That's why I don't even want to hold that much Bitcoin, really, because alts is like where it's at. You know, it's like how you straight up get up the crypto ladder. You know, is fucking with these altcoins. And I swear, Dogecoin, I'm like, I have these dreams that Dogecoin is gonna make me a millionaire. I know it sounds fucking crazy, but Dogecoin is like three tenths of a penny, dude. And it's like and in the I don't know, it's just got a strong foundation. And I just feel like if Bitcoin hits 50K, Dogecoin hits $5, people could get fucking bank. I feel like Dogecoin could actually be the new Bitcoin. I know it sounds real crazy, but it's just Dogecoin's got a real strong community behind it. But when everything will, so that's why I don't know. Good traders, I guess the most experienced traders hold a bunch of fiat and just wait until times like these. And I'm starting to see how they trade. It's like I'm like, there's no way Bitcoin can hit 6,000. No way, no way. We're going straight up to 8K. We're going up, and then before you know it, it hits 6K, and they're like, you know, I don't know. So I'm still learning this game just as much as the next dude, and if I can get really good at this shit, I could really be a digital crypto nomad, where I could straight up just travel anywhere I want and just fucking make some bomb ass trades from my phone on Cobinhood. Because I trade on Cobinhood because it's zero free, and I have Binance too. But if I could really do that shit, and that's what I'm working towards. But in the meantime, I'm just studying building decentralized apps and IPFS and building Solidity and Ethereum dApps. Um, that shit is not easy, man. I'm telling you. This smart contracts and all this shit, like it's hella confusing, but that's what's up looking for. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Yo, that I don't know if you follow Data Dash. I follow Data Dash. This dude was saying Bitcoin's gonna hit 50K by the end of the year. And I'm not much for speculation. I really don't like speculation. But he came with the actual like evidence of like shit that's going on as far as Italy and Deutsche Bank and when you come with facts about what's going on in like Argentina's economy and Venezuela's economy, like I don't know, there needs to be one big catalyst for people to be like, yo, what's the for people? Because sometimes people call me back, yo, hey, what's up? Can you tell me more about Bitcoin? People are like, yo, can you tell me more about Bitcoin? And I like 6 months later, I'm like, whoa, keep it in the mind. Yeah, you're right, man. For real though. Well, I just wanted, you know what I'm saying? I just had to get some shit off my chest. I know people are doing their thing, But yo, stay smoking weed. Take it easy, CryptoRootz. Peace.